I give you free one I love you okay ไหม for you
No.
มันจริงๆเลยนะโอเค free two
Free too?
for you
Oh, really?
Wala.
छाया आसमां देखो झूमता गगन है छाया आसमां देखो झूमता गगन
Tok-tok dyan.
The potting market our there big market have this too long market ตุ๊กตุ๊กมีตุ๊กตุ๊กไปตุ๊กตุ๊ก
Tuk-tuk.
Where you come from
Philippines.
ฟิลิปปินส์
Yeah.
ซื้ออะไรน้องปุ๋ยมาคะเนี่ยกระเป๋า นึกไม่ออกอีก
ได้ดูด้วยช้างสองตัวช้างเล็กแล้วก็อะไรอีกไม่รู้
Ano bibigay yung, ay ano bibilin mo ba lang?
Hello.
Kasi pag
Hello sir
pare-parehas yung ibibigay
you
natin.
take more เดี๋ยว I give you this ไออันนี้นายนะเนี่ย this นาย
Sige, pili-pili lang.
Hello sir you want wallet ไหม leather cow leather stingray
made of crocodile.
and leather crocodile layback original นะ guarantee you can see
No, thanks.
you don't buy you see ได้ I happy morning morning หนูไม่ได้ผลเลยสิลูกเดี๋ยว
No,
มันจะใจ
thank
อ่อน
you.
Hindi ka sampo. Ikaw lang, siguro ka.
Hindi.
Puro video naman sa amin.
Magbabrag lang ako, di ba? Hindi ako dito bibili.
you take 10 you buy 5 you buy 5 okay I give you okay I love
How
you.
much is that?
ถ้า you buy 10 piece I give you it 100 baht okay
Sige, 5-5.
Ito talaga? Pero video ko.
for you one more
No?
I give you cheaper for you
Oh, really? Like how much?
เอาแค่คนละ10 อันนั้นนะหนูจะปิดร้านแล้วขายยากขายเย็นเหลือเกิน
Five?
ไฟ
No, only the two.
you buy 5 you buy 5 you buy 5 I give you free one free one free one มา
Ano?
One free daw, one free.
you take 5 I give you free one you should
One take 5, 6.
I give you free one I love you okay ไหม for you
Paredang bilhin.
No?
มันจริงๆเลยนะ โอเค free two
Free too?
for you
Oh, really?
Wala.
โอเค I give you for you free two
Free too?
เออ
For 5?
yes
Oh.
how about us one oh your friend no buy I say no I free two เสือยัง no buy เลยหวนป่ะ I give you free two
Free two? All I thought free 3.
ไม่
So like magkano yon Baradang? Pag
Wala ka dyan.
800. Wow, mango.
เฮ้ยแขกน่ารักนะเนี่ยแขกน่ารักใช่ไหม
Wow, perfect.
แมงโก้ไหม
Thank you.
แมงโก้วิสกี้ไลท์โอ้โหไอยังโดเซไอเซยูว่าอยู่ใบไฟไอกินยูกีวาน
You said earlier, if we buy 10, you will give
เอ
us
อไอเซยูยูใบไฟไอฟรีวันไอเซยูเฟนโนยูเฟนนอนบาย
8. If it's no free, how much?
ก็โนฟรีก็ว่าไฟฮันเด็ดไฟพีทไฟฮันเด็ดไอกินยูฟรีวันโอเคไอเลิฟยู
Parang 100 lang lang.
วันฮันเด็ดฟรีวัน
100 daw isa, free one. Serada tong si ate, binibudol tayo ah.
Ako na lang.
Kunin ko sa'yo. Get ka palit. Isa lang bili. Isang bigyan lang. Para makamahal.
So ayan guys.
Diba? Diba Lars?
Hmm?
Siya na lang bumili.
Oo.
Para makamahal.
O tanong mo daw.
How much if I buy 10?
ต้อง10 and 10 นะ
No, only me.
แล้วโนถ้า10 and 10จะได้ มันน่ะหัวหมอพี่นึงรู้ไหมว่ามันจะเอา2 อันมารวมกัน
Then he said earlier 800 for 10.
ไม่ได้ไอยังนอนเซตเลยไอเซยูไปไออีวาน
Wala daw kasi siyang sinabi naman itong si Baradami. No said, no said.
Iwalay. Separate,
Separate plastic.
separate plastic.
อ่ะเย่เซเวอร์
Yay! You should give me free.
900
You should give me free because I convinced them to buy.
Thank you so much I love you too
Shanrakun.
ก็ฟรีวันอินไซด์ยูวันฟรีก็
Where's my free?
ก็60ค่ะ60
My friend.
Free, one magnet.
Where's my free?
ไอฟรีอยู่ไอก็ต้องฟรีไอ้ลูก
Where's my
ฟรี
free?
วันนะฟรีวันออลี่อ่ะไอจิ๊บอยู่นะอยู่แชร์กันนะ ไปหา
Oh,
โอเค
hati daw.
ไอเลิฟยู
Hati daw kayo. Where's my free?
ไปหากันนะ This is a keychain. Yes, keychain and the cutting. And the
Nail
cutting.
cutter.
I have not same. You want this one?
ไม่รู้เย็บผิดหรือเปล่าก็ไม่รู้เนี่ย
You like this one? This
How
one
much? How much?
for one นะ This from the chick wood for one.
150 for one.
From the wood.
From the wood
You
daw.
send
From
me
the
how much?
wood.
From the chick wood. Yes, I can sell. You want keychain?
150 or?
No.
Or each?
For one. For one.
For one,
For
150.
one.
For one.
For one. This for set six for six นะ For package I cannot for package นะ I will price for you one package one set they try six pieces same this not same design you say me how much starting for me okay for one package of they try
Say down.
Hindi, okay.
finish ขายเลย my shop
Sabihin mo
last
300.
time you okay I okay
Ayan oh, 300.
one set
Kaya na
six
bumili.
pieces
Wala ka pa nabibili.
you give your friend ได้
Sige,
นะ
nabalik
souvenir
ko.
your friend
Eh, nagbablog ka lang. Wala ka pa sa viewers mo. Bili ka na. Sige na.
Bogus ka
okay
din.
I can sell
Scammer
high
ka. Sige na.
How about 200?
okay
250?
Yes.
Oh,
You happy, I happy.
Buy it.
250. I can sell.
200.
Please, 250 baht. Oh, 50 baht for me, please. Na, 250.
How many other choices?
Ah, not same.
220.
Oh, please,
So, 220 for you.
Please,
30 for me.
Other
I
choice.
company sell, I don't cost.
Pinilit ka pa.
No, 220.
250, okay.
20 for you, 30 for me.
Ah,
Okay.
okay, thank you.
100.
Thank you.
Thank you. So guys, nandito pala tayo sa Sugar Factory. So ayan. So bali, pupuntahan natin. So, andito. Bali, ito yung isang tourist spot din dito sa Thailand kapag pumunta kayo. So, tara, subirin natin. From here, kababala lang namin ng boat and then naaamoy ko na yung niluluto nila na coconut. Alam mo yun, yung parang bukayo. So, ayun, mamaya titikim tayo. Pupunta tayo din. So, ayan, nandito na tayo. So, tingnan natin yung process nila kung paano nila ginagawa. Okay? Tara. Ito nila niluluto guys yung bukayo. Ayan. Ayan, titingnan natin ngayon. So, ayan. So, luto siya into sa ayan. Okay. Then, tapos sa kanila tinatakpan. Yan yung bukayo guys. Bukayo. So, yan yung process nila. Yung ginagawa. So, yan. Parang bukayo. Bukayo ba yan? Tingnan nyo na.
Fresh coconut na nakuha niya.
So, yan yung free guys.
Free. Coconut nectar, din free.
Coconut nectar.
Yes.
Wow. Perfect.
Right.
Thank you. So, bali ito siya guys.
Coconut din free.
Ang tamis. So, dito pala yung talaga yung floating market. Ito oh, food.